It really depends what I want to use. Then I'll use any of these. Then I have I've connected the power source. Okay, so today I have a different one. These headlights are quite bad on this car, and it looks like they were fixed before, but the fix was not done properly because you can see they're very rough. They were sanded down, but nothing else was done after that. So today I'm gonna attempt to restore them to their original glory. Hopefully I'm gonna be successful. I'm gonna do my best. I have a new technology that I'm gonna be testing out. Let's see how they come out. First off, I'll tape off over here. I'll tape around the bumper, and then I'll sand them down with different grades of sandpaper. I'll see what I have in the box. Then from there, I'll start applying my chemical. I think the taping is done. They're very, very foggy, very misty. You can't even see the top of the headlight. That's how bad they are. So I'm hoping to change all of that and get them to their former glory so that the owner can see at night. This is not good, and it's also not safe. I'm going to use the following grades of sandpaper. I have 600, then that will be followed by 1000, and then lastly I'm going to use the 1500. So ideally I'm going to start with a bit of a rougher one, just to rough the surface up, and I'm going to do that dry sanding with the 600. Then I'm going to go dry sanding with 1000, and then 1500 I'll use water just so that I can smooth out all the surfaces. So okay, I think that's enough of that 600. Right, now I think I'm gonna go with 1000, and then I'm gonna use water. Sweat the headlight a little bit. All right, let's go in with 1000. So this is just to make sure everything is fine and smooth to get these headlights shining bright. So that is 1000. Okay, now the headlight is more matte. It has that nice matte finish. This is the look after the matte finish look. Once it's like this, then I can apply my chemical. So I'm gonna let it dry completely, and then we can apply the chemical to see how it turns out. Comparing it to the old one, the difference is literally night and day. I haven't completed the other one, but obviously I can see that this one is a little bit yellow. This one is now clear, almost like whitish matte finish. So I'm gonna be using this combination, right? This product, I've been looking for it for a while, and I finally found it. There's a cup, and there's a nozzle thing, another nozzle thing, and then there's a car charger power supply. But I'm gonna use an adapter for electricity. This one goes in here when you're using this one, to do what you need to do. Or alternatively, you can use this one, then it goes like that. So it really depends what I want to use. Then I'll use any of these. Then I have the actual liquid here. So this is the restoration liquid. Yeah, it seems to be good. So let me try it out and then see. There are some O-rings here. The O-rings, obviously, to make sure that I don't spill anything. So let me put it together. Okay, first let me try and see if the power supply is going to work, because I'm not sure. This is not for this lamp. This is just a power supply that I have, but I'm assuming that is going to work. There's an O-ring that you get. It goes over here. just to make sure that the seal is perfect. Then I've got my chemical, so I'm gonna pour. Okay, so it's sealed completely. Right. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour. The liquid is actually blue, so they're saying the remaining liquid is recoverable, so I can still use it if I have something left. All right, I'm not gonna pour a lot. I think that's enough. And then this ideally should seal like this. Okay, I'll come back to that. Put tape around this like this so that nothing comes out of here, moisture or anything like that. Now I need to test my power if it actually works. I've connected the power source. The instructions say I need to wait until this starts, well, some smoke starts coming out of here or steam, then it's ready to use. So I'm gonna wait for that. My adapter didn't work, so I had to be resourceful. I'm using this power bank. It has a direct volt or direct current that's coming out of it into this thing. It's actually warm now. I'm excited to see how this thing's gonna turn out. I'm looking forward to it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have steam coming out of this thing. So I think we're ready to work. Right, let's see. Interesting. Okay, so it's actually working. There we go. Okay. Nice. Nice. Ah, okay. Okay, so I'm not sure why some of the areas are not clearing up. Maybe I didn't do a good job in terms of sanding. Oh, nice. Okay, this is actually good. Yeah, so it's taking a bit of time. Okay, I'm not sure what's happening here. Okay, so let me do where I can do, and then we'll check the results afterwards. But so far, this is better than spraying, eh? Much, much better. And it's actually getting the headlight like restored back to factory. It's clearer, like literally, it's like brand new. This is nice. Love that. Okay, this is nice. This is wow. So I'm done with the headlights, and I think the results are great. I was not expecting this, but definitely this product works. There's just a bit that I need to sort out here. I think I need to sand a little bit deeper. But overall, I think this is good. I mean, I didn't even know how these things look like, but now everything looks really, really nice. Looks clearer. And okay, let me turn off the light and see. Yeah, it looks like brand new. Let me compare with the other one. So this one is old and that is a new light. Okay, so the product works. Let me do the other one and then compare everything once done. The difference is literally night and day looking at the old one and looking at the new one. Yeah, no, it looks really, really nice, really clear. And I can actually see what's inside the headlight now compared to the old one. So there it is. This product actually works. So let me finish off the other one. Then I'll check everything once done. Hopefully everything looks nice. I know it will. Yeah, but I just love how these headlights came out. Really, really nice, clear. Literally can see everything. I know it's not perfect because it was my first time. I didn't send this one all the way down. So the other one is sanded all the way down. So it should come out perfect. Well, there you have it. The headlights have been restored and they look really, really nice. They look really clean, actually. It's like I've got new lenses over here. It's just quite nice. Love it. It came out really, really nice. Let me try and turn on the headlights to see if it actually is different. The lights are actually bright. They are clear. You can see all the LEDs. You can see the actual bulb. But overall, I'm happy with how they came out. Let me get it closer so that you can see. Yeah, look at that. very, very nice. It's clean. I think more than anything, it's just nice and clean. I can actually see everything in there. The bulb, the LEDs. This is awesome. This chemical actually works. Well, this product actually works. There you have it. Headlights have been restored on this Alfa Romeo Giulietta, and they look really nice. I love how they came out. You can actually see the LEDs now over here and over here. This is awesome. This product actually works. I'm glad that I went for it, and yeah, I'm happy with the results, and I know the owner is going to be excited when they see their car. I cannot wait for their reactions. But overall, I think I'm happy with the results. They just need to work. Maybe I'd advise them to get maybe LED headlights H7 and H1 just to match these LEDs as well, so that they can have the actual LED bulb in there and the high beam as well. So I think that will complete the car really nicely. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the Alfa Romeo Giulietta headlight restoration video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Click on that bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video, and I'll catch you next time.